After 2 nights of indulging in buffet feast, we figured it was time to get moving and burn off a few of those calories. So we set out for the Crystal Lake Trail, one of Mammoth's most breathtaking hikes, and it's definitely got our hearts pumping. Beginning near Lake George, the trail climbs steadily through towering pine forests, offering peaceful solitude and stunning scenic views along the way. With a round trip of about 3 miles and an elevation gain of roughly 800 feet, it was a bit of a challenge, but the views, fresh air, and beautiful Crystal Lake at the end made it all absolutely worth it.
Echoes in the pines, they call to me, a hymn of the wild, where I'm free. The wind against my cheek, the soft embrace. In this quiet, I can find my place.
So far, so good. I don't know if we're halfway yet, but I'm definitely feeling it. Woo! Not too steep. A steady climb, but we're on higher elevation. 9,000 or so plus above sea level. So, thinner air up here and a bit harder to breathe. So we just have to remember to take it slowly. Multiple breaks and great opportunity for lots of photo opportunities.
Look how gorgeous the view.
Look at the mountain, still snow.
A hymn of the wild, where I'm free. The wind against my cheek, a soft embrace. In this quiet, I can find my place. Saw a bird with feathers gray and fine, singing his song, his perch on the line. His world is simple, his worries few. Maybe one day I'll live like that too. A heart that beats in sync with the soil, seeking peace, far from the toil. Out where the clouds write stories fast, each step forward erases my past.
We made it. Good idea, Sam. We didn't have to go down the Convict. I would have been missing out.
Yeah.
Well, because usually Kevin's fishing like 3 days straight, so we don't trail much.
Fishing. Kevin's my kind of person.
Yeah. I'm just like
Yeah.
It's only in
Top view of Lake Mary, Mammy, Twin Lake over there, Twin Lake, Mammy, Mary, and George. On top of the world. We are basically at Crystal Lake. You see the lake on our left, right there.
Singing a song, his perch on the line. His world is simple.
We're at the outlet of Crystal Lake. So it's flowing through the creek here. It is beautiful. We made it to Crystal Lake.
Simple, his worries few. Maybe one day I'll live like that too. A heart that beats in sync with the soil, seeking peace, far from the toil. Out where the clouds write stories fast, each step forward erases my past. Echoes in the pines, they call to me, a hymn of the wild, where I'm free. The wind against my cheek, a soft embrace.
So we just came back from Crystal Lake. Beautiful view. It's worth it. So now we're going down and then we're going to go have lunch. And afterward we head to Convict Lake again.
Saw a bird with feathers gray and fine, singing his song, his perch on the line. His world is simple, his worries few. Maybe one day.
Sam wanted to take our nephew Max fishing, and he was determined to make sure Max caught fish. So we decided to head back to Convict Lake, our go-to spot where we had the best luck catching fish.
And a group there and a group there. There's like 20 plus fish total. And over there too.
These are natural.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh,
it's a good sized one.
oh. Tangle. Pull the other way. Oh. Oh. Yes.
Don't come close.
It's starting to bite.
Oh, this is a good size.
Yeah. It's starting to bite again. Yes.
Good job, Uncle Sam.
All right.
I got it. Keep going.
Good job, Max.
Stop, real.
Yeah. Good job.
Good job, Max.
I have to unhook it.
Yeah. Hey, see there. Oh, here. Don't, you don't get tangled. Don't take it to the other.
Just get it there.
The fish broke free while still attached to the string, but Sam wasn't about to let it escape. He went into the water to retrieve it.
You got it?
Yes. I am the fisherman.
Okay, pull it up. Let me see. Let me see.
Oh. Man, I hope.
Maybe one day I'll live like that too. A heart that beats in sync with the soil, seeking peace, far from the toil. Out where the clouds write stories fast, each step forward erases my past. Echoes in the pines, they call to me, a hymn of the wild, where I'm free. The wind against my cheek, a soft embrace. In this quiet, I can find my place.
We caught a few fish, but meanwhile, out on the boat at Lake Mary, Kevin and Aaron were reeling in the big ones, including a 5-pound trout landed by Aaron on his very first fishing trip. He's a natural, and with Kevin as his teacher, it's no wonder he did so well.
His world is simple, his worries few. Maybe one day I'll live like that too. A heart that beats in sync with the soil, seeking peace, far from the toil. Out where the clouds write stories fast, each step forward erases my past. Morning light whispers through the trees, chew on the ground, a hush in
Sam marinated the freshly caught trout with salt and pepper, then fried it until perfectly crispy.
I find myself there. The brook comes low, the tune I know, warm paths of earth where memories.
All right, so next on our menu is a mixing up mango salad, which consists of some green onions. We have some tomatoes here, and salt and fish sauce. And it's gonna pair with some fresh caught fish that Sam caught today. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Well, you know what? I need the tray, right? Where's the tray? Oh, drizzle. And yes, the key ingredient. Don't shake so hard. Key ingredient is fish sauce.
Secret Asian sauce.
I need somebody to wipe this Mimi because
I know,
I think we need a little bit more fish sauce. Yeah. My daughter went too much. She splattered all. Okay. So let me give you the lowdown for this Saturday evening's menu. All right. We're preparing some salad here, romaine lettuce, with a bunch of veggies, including lemongrass and red onions and green onions and let's see, mint. So essentially this is going to be beef salad. We have beef cooking right there, Chef Andrew, Grill Master. Fried chicken from Vaughn's. And I believe that this fried chicken, okay, so you have some fried chicken. And then I believe we have some fish.
Yeah.
Fresh caught fish as well.
Yeah.
So plenty to eat. And some more salads coming with it.
Is that chocolate?
Well, fried chicken.
អូខ្ញុំបានឡើងភ្នំខ្ពស់មែនតើហើយច្បាយដល់ហើយបានចុះមកជិះក្បាលតិច
ហើយថ្ងៃនេះទៅណាខ្លះណេង
ថ្ងៃនេះខ្ញុំបានទៅកន្លែងទឹកពុះ and ទឹកសាហាវទឹកសាប អូហើយខ្ញុំឃើញឌៀដល់3ទៀតហើយអាឌៀមួយទៅងាប់នៅមាត់ថ្នល់នឹងទៀត
Night, final night.
Morning light whispers through the trees. Chew on the ground, a hush in the breeze. Shoes by the door.
Dinner is served.
Come on, come here, come
Got a line
There we go.
for me.
នេះមុនគេ
Nope, it's gonna burn. It's gonna like that.
Let me prep it.
How about come and get for yourself?
You take your.
All you need is an Allen key. Just go rotate it a little bit. It works again. And that happens. Build my confidence. And I
Until
do
it
a little bit
actually-
of that.
Until it actually, when the motor burns out, then it's tough.
Yes.
Come on, Sam.
No, sauce tay cái kia. No, ăn chiên.
Are you waiting for your noodle?
Water.
I'm waiting for my water.
Oh.
It's almost there. It's almost there.
How's the food, Kevin?
Good.
Yeah.
good អូឆ្ងាញ់ទាំងអស់ហ្នឹងណាយ៉ាត់ដួល
One thumb up. Mẹ đai mùi.
On the line. His world is simple, his worries few. Maybe one day I'll live like that too. A heart that beats in sync with the soil.
It's bittersweet, our final night after 4 days and 3 nights camping at Mammoth Lakes. Time flew by as it always does when we're having fun. We reconnected with old friends as if no time had passed, and we met new ones who felt instantly familiar and easy to be around. We shared stories around the fire, laughed wholeheartedly, and spent our days fishing, hiking, sightseeing, cooking together, and simply soaking in the joy of each other's company around the fire pit. We feasted on delicious home-cooked meals and fresh-caught fried fish, simple, comforting, and absolutely perfect. Every moment felt special and memorable, with Mammoth Lakes wrapping it all in the magic of alpine serenity, shimmering waters, and trails offering stunning views and sweeping landscape below. It was simple, it was fun, it was unforgettable.
His worries few. Maybe one day I'll live like that too. A heart that beats in sync with the soil, seeking peace, far from the toil. Out where the clouds write stories fast, each step forward a race.